Welcome to this chapter 2 Python revision tour 2. So in this lecture we are going to talk about dictionaries in Python. First of all, what is dictionaries in Python? Dictionaries are used to store data values in the key value pairs. Okay, the key and the value pairs are separated by colon. A dictionary is a collection which is order changeable and does not allow duplicate values. Okay, it duplicate keys, not duplicate values. For example, in this dictionary, the name of the dictionary is disdic, and it is having the brand, which is the name of the key, and fourth is the name of the value. It is also having model, which is the name of the key, and Mustang is the value. It also have year, which is the name of the key, and 1964 is the value. So if you simply print this dictionary, you will get all the key pairs in the output. This is the output. Okay, so dictionaries are mutable, they are changeable, and they can store key value pairs. All right, let us see one by one. So how to create dictionary, that is creating a dictionary. In order to create dictionary, you have to specify the key value pairs inside curly bracket. There is no limit in the key value pair. You can specify as many as you want, and the key and the value must be separated by colon, like this, key and value pairs. And the key value pair must be separated by comma. Please don't confuse between this colon and comma. The use of colon and comma is different. Okay, you can specify one key value pair, and between that key value pair there should be colon, and its key value pairs must be separated by comma. The curly bracket marks the beginning and the end of the dictionary. All right, so you can access element of the dictionary in different ways. The first one is you can specify the name of the dictionary, and within a square bracket you can specify the name of the key, There is also another method which is known as keys. Using keys, you can get all the keys available in the dictionary. Using values, you can get all the values in that dictionary. Let's see example. Okay, so in this example, we have CS, computer science, as the dictionary, and we have title as the first key, and the name of the value for the title is computer science. And author is there, another key, and we have Sumita Arora as the value for that author. We have year as another key, and 2020 as the value. We have price as another key, and 595 is the value. So we can print out whatever you want from this dictionary by specifying the name of the dictionary, and within the square bracket we can specify the key name. What is the key name here? The key name is title. So what will be printed out? The value of the title will be printed out, that is computer science. And you can also specify the name of the dictionary with keys, so that you will get all the keys available in that dictionary. In the same way, you can also specify values, cs.values, so that you will get all the values in that dictionary. This is the way to use the keys, the value. This is the way to access element from the dictionary. You can access the element, and you can access the keys, you can access the values, etc. Some of the characteristics of a dictionary are: dictionary is unordered set of key value pairs. The reason why we call unordered set means there is no priority among the key value pairs. Okay, whether it occur first or last, it's the same. They all have equal priority. And dictionary is not a sequence because it is an ordered set of elements. All right, it is not a sequence like this is having index 0, this is having index 1 times something like that. It is not like that. Okay, dictionary is an ordered set of elements. Dictionaries are indexed by keys, not by index number. Just not like other data types, dictionary in Pythons are indexed by keys, not by others. Each of the keys within a dictionary must be unique. This point is very, very important. All the dictionary keys must be unique. You cannot have the same keys in a dictionary. That means there is no duplicate keys possible inside a dictionary. Only duplicate values are allowed, but no duplicate keys. Like a list data type, dictionaries are also mutable. I hope you know what is mutable already. It means the value or the element can be changed anytime. All right, now let's talk about the different operations in dictionary. There are different operations supported by dictionary, like traversing a dictionary, adding element to dictionary, updating existing element in a dictionary, deleting element from a dictionary, checking for existence of a dictionary. Okay, these are the different operations given in your textbook, so we are going to study one by one. Firstly, traversing a dictionary. Traversing a collection means accessing and processing its element one by one. In order to process its element one by one, we usually use the for loop. Okay, the for loop to traverse or loop over the items in the dictionary. For example, let us take the same example, CS dictionary. In CS dictionary, we have title, we have author, we have year, we have price. All right, so if we want to access all the keys one by one, we can say for keys in CS colon, and we are going to print out the keys, and we are going to put colon in between, and we are going to put the values. So the output is given here in the black black background. Okay, the title is computer science, the author is Sumita Arora, and year is 2020, and the price is 595. All right, in this way we can access all the element. We can traverse the dictionary. Next, adding element to a dictionary. You can add new element in a dictionary using the assignment operator. For example, let us take the same example here. CS dictionary, we have title, we have author, we have year, we have price. If you want to add the publisher for this textbook, you can add CS publisher inside the square bracket, and you can use assignment operator, and you can give the publisher values. So if you print all the values, the publisher will also be printed in the output. All right, now let's go to updating existing element. It is possible to update any existing value using the key. So let us take the same example again, CS computer science, and here suppose by next year the price of this textbook may increase. So if I want to change the price from 595 to 699, I can do the same by CS price. This is the name of the key, and I can give new value. So if I print the dictionary, I'll get the new output. Okay, in this way we can change the year, we can change the author, we can change the title. Okay, so dictionary is mutable and very, very easy to use. Now let's talk about deleting elements. You can use the del command in order to delete the dictionary. All right, and you can also use pop command in order to delete elements of the dictionary. The del can also be used to delete elements of the dictionary. For example, let us take the same dictionary, CS dictionary. If I say delcs, and if I specify the price will be deleted. Okay, the price, this will be deleted. And next, if I say cs.pop and year, the year will be deleted again. So the only two left out will be the title and the author. So if I print all the keys and the values, it will print the title and the author. All right, so this will be the output. Now let's talk about how can we check the existence of a key inside a dictionary. So the membership operators like the in operator and the not in operator can be used to check whether that key exists in the dictionary or not. All right. So if let us take the same example of CS dictionary. If I print is it title is existed on that CS? Yes, the answer is true. It is existed. If I check, is it title is not existing in that dictionary? No, it is existing in that dictionary. So that therefore it will print the false command. So you can use in and not in membership operator in order to check whether the key exists or not. All right. Now let's talk about the dictionary functions and methods. Okay, we have the len method, we have the clear method, we have the get method, we have the items method, we have the keys method, we have the values method, and we have the update method. We are going to study these things one by one. Firstly, the length method. This length method returns the length of the dictionary. That means how many elements are there in the dictionary. It will display the count of the element in the dictionary. Let us take the same example of CS dictionary. In this CS dictionary, we have, suppose if I want to print the length, we will get 4. Why we get 4? The reason why we get 4 is there are 4 entries. For example, title, author, year, price. These are the 4 entries available. So the len method returns the number of entries. Next is the clear method. The clear method remove all items from the dictionary. After removing, it will create empty dictionary. Okay, it will create empty dictionary. I want you to know that if you use the delete command using the del command, the dictionary itself may be deleted, but using the clear command, only the values will be deleted. For example, car is a dictionary, brand, and model. The brand is Tesla, the model is Mustang. So if I clear like this, then all the elements will be clear. Next one is the get method. The get method is used to get an item from the dictionary. It is similar to the key method, okay? For example, if we use the same dictionary, title, author, year, price, if I say I want to get the author using the get method cs.get, and within the bracket I specify the author, so the author name will be output. Okay, the output will be author name. Using I can get whatever. If you want to get the title, you can get it. If you want to get the year, you can get it. If you want to get the price, you can get it like this using the get method. Next one is the items method. This method return all the items. If you want to return all the items in the from the dictionary, you can use the items. Okay, from the return method, you from those return items you can specify the list. Okay, you can create a new list by returning the items. So I said cs items, all the items will be returned to the my list, and if I print all the items in my list, I'll get the output like this. This is not a dictionary anymore, even though it is stored like that. This is a list of two-dimensional items. Okay, it is a two-dimensional list. So from using the items method, I can create lists from a dictionary. The next one is the key method. This method returns all the keys in the dictionary. All right. So I already demonstrate in the first part of this lecture. So the keys method will return all the keys like title, author, year, price, etc. And another one is the values method. The values method also return all the values. For example, if we use the same dictionary, if I say cs.values, I do return all the values, not the keys. And lastly, let us talk about the update method. It merges and update a dictionary from a new dictionary if they have the same keys. Okay. For example, in this employee one, I have ID 123, employee 2, and the second key is name. It is you. For employee 2, ID is also 123. The name is me. So if I say employee 1 update employee 2, and if I print employee 1, So the me value will be updated to employee 1, but this ID is the same. Although it is updated, it will look like the same. So this one will be updated. Do you have any questions? Please feel free to ask me anytime in my WhatsApp number. All right. Thank you very much.